happy Tuesday afternoon mga ka-MK. So yeah, this is my after shower look once again. So the products that I've used so far, still the same, Timewise Repair, Volufirm Foaming Cleanser, okay, and our clarifying cleanser for acne prone skin. And I've also toned, so we've used the Blemish Control Toner with 2% salicylic acid liquid. And I have moisturized with oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin. So to complete our anti-acne facial, I will now introduce, which is actually an optional fourth step, which is the spot solution. So supposedly it will target blemishes and help clear them up with a spot solution. So the spot solution is best for those nga naadyo active nga acne. So far, as of the moment, wala ko'y active nga acne, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna apply it to my keloid. Kay mo ni siya ang nagpabilin nga remembrance as to how acne prone my skin was during my high school days. So yeah, so this spot solution cream, this one, is formulated with a perfect blend of blemish lighters to target current blemishes. So how to use it? Just apply directly to affected areas as needed, and apply product sparingly to 1 or 2 small affected areas during the first 3 days. If no discomfort occurs, then follow the directions stated earlier. Okay, so with my cleanser, this is actually the fourth day of using it. So far no discomfort, and with the toner, 3rd day na ko, so still the same, no redness. With the moisturizer, 2 days na, so yeah, no itchiness at all. So I can really testify or attest kung unsa ka lightweight but effective Mary Kay's anti-acne products are. So yeah, this is our spot solution. So very small lang kay ako naman yung i-demonstrate. Yeah. So if you think that you need more, just pour in more. If you need to apply it to 2 or more areas, then please do so. So again, just for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna apply it to the tip of my nose, which is nagka-keloid na siya. Alright, so ana lang. So like din siya, no, sa botanical effects na products, kaya ang sa botanical effects humot siya because of the dragon fruit na extract, but this nadyo siya medicinal smell because of the salicylic acid liquid, but again it's just 2%. Alright, so muna to siya, all done, and just let the products do its work. By the way, last night nagpaibot ko sa akong 3rd molar, so very fresh pa ang wound. Yeah, I can smile because wala man din ha ang akong ipaibtan. Naara man rin sa 3rd molar. It was actually an impacted tooth, so very pricey. But then again, I don't have any other choice but to really take it out. Kay mas madugayan, mas maglisod na niya. Kaya katugod niya akong 3rd molar, natipak na ang isa ka part. So praise God na himuan rag paagi nga dili maglisod og ligwat ang dentist. So shout out to Dr. Masong. Thank you so much. She's actually the mother of my friend Rosette. Thank you so much once again. So ulitin. Okay. And yeah, that's it for today. So for those of you who would like to try my anti-acne facial, just let me know. And still the same, kung unsa man gani atong mga giagian karong adlaw o agian pa karong adlaw, just glorify God and God will do the rest. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.